Quick heads up before we get started. Afterpay doesn't allow direct transfers to PayPal. Unlike a regular bank account or debit card, you can't just move money from your Afterpay balance or credit into PayPal. But don't worry. I'll explain how you can still use Afterpay to make purchases on sites that accept PayPal or get access to the funds more indirectly. If you want to use Afterpay with PayPal, here's what you need to know. When checking out online, look for the option to pay with Afterpay during checkout. It usually shows up as a payment method below PayPal or credit card options. If it's not there, you can't use Afterpay through PayPal directly. Now, if you're trying to get cash value from your Afterpay limit, one way is to buy a gift card from a store that accepts Afterpay and then use that gift card to fund your PayPal account indirectly. Just keep in mind, this takes a few extra steps and may not be worth it for small amounts. So to sum up, you can't transfer money directly from Afterpay to PayPal, but you can use Afterpay at thousands of stores online or explore workarounds like gift cards. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart money tips. See you next time.